In this video, I'll show you how to make your own advanced SubStation Alpha subtitle styles and how you can use them to improve your workflow and save time on repetitive subtitling projects that involve the same type of styles. Welcome to this video. My name is David. I hope you're well. So I'm inside Subtitle Edit 3.6.4 and we're going to begin with importing our video and our subtitles. If you are working on a project and want to convert your subtitles to advanced SubStation Alpha subtitle styles, then you can follow along. It's pretty simple. So I'll just go click on video, open video from file, and navigate to the folder with the video I want to work on. So I'll just open it up and then go to file, open keep video to open the subtitles for this particular video that I want to use. Let's use this one. Just click on open. So there are subtitles. They're just ready. Now, as you can see, the format up here is an SRT, a subrip subtitle format. Now, what we'll do to begin is, first of all, we'll need to convert our SRT to a .ass subtitle format. Just click on this and scroll down to Advanced SubStation Alpha or .ass. Just click on that. And once we click on that, you'll notice that the subtitles change and we now have a style called default. Now, this is the default Advanced SubStation Alpha subtitle style. And what I want us now to do is I want us to create our own style. There's this icon here called Advanced SubStation Alpha styles. So let's just click on that. And once we click on that, we'll see the styles. What is contained in the default? The default has the font name of Arial, the font size of 50, the used on 45, I believe, and the text and the outline and all that. Now, this is a good thing, especially when you have this, because if you have repetitive tasks, then you can use whatever style that you have available. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new style here. So let's just click on new. And once we click on new, we can name it whatever. Let's say repetitive tasks for client X. So that's what we have. Let's say we want to change this font to maybe whatever. Let's say we want to use Verdana. That's a good font as well. Depending on the video, let's assume you have a resolution that you work with all the time. You'll see that the font size is about 20. Let's say you're working with 1280 by 720 video aspect ratio or dimensions. Let's make this 42, somewhere around there. And then we leave everything as it is. But what we're going to do is we'll make an opaque box just there. So once I click on that, you'll see some changes here, the opaque box, and then you'll see the new font size and all that. So this is our style that we're creating. And you can switch between the two and see the differences. But this is the style that we're creating. It looks pretty good. It's something that probably you can work with depending on what you want. So let's click on apply and say OK. Now you'll notice that the style is still the default. But the good thing with this is that if you want to change the style for just this particular line, you can just right click on it, set style to repetitive tasks for client X. If you click on that, then what is going to happen is that, let's just click on this again. When you click on that, you'll see that this particular subtitle has the new style that you created. And if you can just move this to the side slightly, and then just bring this, you'll see there's this particular style, repetitive tasks for client X. If I just double click on this subtitle line, you'll see it has the old style. So let's say you wanted to use the style for a couple of lines. You'll just do that, select those couple of lines, right click, set style to repetitive tasks, and that happens just like that. So these ones will have a different style from the different styles that you have. The default is still there. It's pretty simple. If you wanted to have all the styles available for all these lines, just Control A and then right click, set style, repetitive tasks. If you'd like to export or import a style somebody else has created, then all you need to do is just go to the Advanced SubStation Alpha style icon again, click on that, and there's an import option here, and then there's an export. So if you're collaborating with somebody, then this is a good way to save time on repetitive tasks, especially when you have to set different fonts, different font sizes, the way that particular client maybe, or even if you have a friend that uses different styles here for their subtitles. So that is how I'd recommend and say you can make your own advanced SubStation Alpha subtitle styles to speed up your workflow on repetitive tasks and probably streamline your processes. I hope this video has been of value to you if you're intending on creating subtitles that have a repetitive form. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.